your hair is breaking out massively, your hair is thinning out, hair loss, or even you want to grow your hair massively and you are just tired, you don't even know what to do, my dear, I am introducing a recipe which has two powerful ingredients. The first ingredient I'm showing you right now is called coffee bean. Coffee bean is actually very good to revive your dormant hair follicle. That is one benefit out of many. Now, another ingredient I am introducing is clove. Like, clove is a powerful ingredient. If you want to grow your hair long, yes, go for clove. So, how are we going to prepare this? Now, I don't have the coffee bean. I am going with the one we drink. And guys, it is safe and very good for your hair actually. So you can, if you have the coffee, if you have the bean, the pod, you can get it, but if you don't have that, you can just go with this. Now, please make sure you press it or just blend it a bit so that everything can dissolve perfectly. So I was using a spoon and it was not like, it was not even stressful at all. Very good. Now, one thing I love is that it helps to block an hormone which sponsor hair loss in your hair. That is one thing I love about um coffee bean. It is actually very good for, if you are battling with hair loss, my dear, don't joke with coffee bean. Now, this is clove. I can't like I don't know if this is your first time of saying clove. Clove has a lot of benefit and it is very good for your hair. In my previous video, I actually said that clove can break your hair, but with this beautiful method, the coffee bean, the coffee, my dear, your hair will not break at all. Your hair will just be growing massively, like growing and growing. Now, please use hot water because of the coffee. I don't know, have you ever prepared coffee with cold water? I don't know, sha, but so that everything can dissolve and dissolve well, please go with hot water. And also, it actually it speed up the process of infusing your ingredients. So please leave it for 24 hours. 24 hours is actually enough, even like 18 to 24 hours. Sure, you get. So after 24 hours, this was how my recipe was. So can you see, like, everything has dissolved, the clove, the coffee, and everything. I feel like drinking this, guys. You know you can drink this. Yes, coffee is actually good for blood circulation in your body, my dear, and blood circulation is actually very good for your hair. Sure, you get. So like this coffee, I don't know why people are not talking about coffee for hair, my dear. Coffee is actually very good to grow your hair long, like something that is good for what is it called, for hair loss, hair shed, and oh, my dear, it would definitely be good for long hair. You get. So save it. I'm using a wig cap actually, so that is just it. So I'm going in with my spray bottle, guys. You know, I told you that I sell spray bottle, I sell applicator bottle, and if you need one, my dear, my DM is open right away and I'm here to deliver it to your doorstep. So the next process is to use it on my hair, guys. I am focusing on my roots. I am focusing on my roots. So I don't necessarily need it to moisturize my hair. I just need it for hair growth. And my hair is more breakage, shey you get. I just need it for to grow my hair long actually. So that is what I was actually doing this place. So most of my hair stuff I use it for my scalp actually. But if I want to moisturize my hair, I'll just use water and hair conditioner. So please seal the moisture with any oil. I have posted how I made this potent oil. You can check out my channel for that. This oil is actually packed with a lot of ingredients that is beneficiary to your hair. So that is just it. So this is, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week and it is safe for your hair. So thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, this is me saying subscribe. Thank you so much and bye for now.